Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by capturing a reliable source. Record 5 minutes of steady speech in a quiet space using WAV at 44. 1 kHz or higher. Make sure your mic level isn't clipping. Once done, label files clearly and open your AI voice tool. You should import the clean takes immediately so the model learns the timbre and pace. This step matters because high-quality input directly improves the synthetic output, so prioritize consistency in tone and distance from the microphone. Next, you configure or train the model to match your desired target. If using a pre-trained voice, fine-tune parameters like timbre, pitch shift, and speed. If training, feed 30-60 seconds of reference audio and set voice character controls. Once configured, run a short training pass and export a 10-20 second test render. Listen critically for artifacts and unnatural breaths. Make iterative adjustments, tighter pitch control or added breath samples, to bring the voice closer to natural while keeping intelligibility high. Now you synthesize the final lines and polish them. Generate full phrases, then tweak prosody and punctuation to control pacing and emphasis. Make sure commas and dashes produce natural pauses. Once rendered, run basic post-processing, gentle EQ, de-essing, and match loudness to around -16 LUFS for consistency. If you detect robotic artifacts or glitches, retrain with more diverse samples or reduce pitch and speed extremes. A key troubleshooting tip: if timbre breaks, add.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.